channel. I'm Mandy Fit, and this is my very first YouTube video, and I'm super excited to get started on this YouTube journey because I have been wanting to do YouTube for such a long time, probably since high school actually, and I've been out of high school for a long time, so it's been a while. But anyway, so I just decided to get started and go for it. I've been thinking of what I should do for my first video because there's so many things on YouTube that people have already done. So I decided to start with something easy, and this is just the way that I do them, which are my eyebrows. A lot of people have asked me before how I do my eyebrows, what products do I use, things like that. So I decided to start with something simple. Just a disclaimer out there, I am not a makeup artist and I'm not a professional. This is just my daily makeup routine, just how I do my eyebrows. I love makeup. I love doing my makeup. I love everything about it. So I thought it would have been fun little video to start with. So if you would like to learn how I get my eyebrows to look like this, please keep watching. Hey everybody, alright, let's get started. So as you can see with my hair, it's sparse in some areas. I just have hair that never grew in, so I fill in my brows to kind of give it a little bit more fullness. So I take a spoolie brush and I'm brushing out my hairs to kind of tame them down and also getting the shape that I want before I put on the product. So it looks pretty good. Next, I'm going into my Brow Kit by Rima. It's a small palette. This palette is in dark. It comes with 3 different shades, light, medium, brown, and dark brown, sorry. And then I'm going in with the medium color, which is kind of dark for me, but that matches the best. It also comes with a dual brush. There's a flat side and then also an angle side, as you can see. I am going to use the angle side. I don't really use the other side for anything. And just with a little bit of product on the brush, and I tap it off, I'm going to start underlining my brow. I start with the underlining first to kind of get the bottom shape above my eye. And you want to focus with doing light strokes. Small strokes, light strokes, that's the key here. And I'm also going to be doing it to the top part as well. So I definitely want to shape my eyebrows with the bottom and the top. And you want to focus most of the product towards the outer part of your eyebrow and not so much on the inner part, just so that it kind of gives a little bit more natural look, even though my eyebrows are actually pretty bold, so, but that's just how I like it. Then whatever's left on the brush, I'm just going to fill in the inner part of my eyebrow. I don't go back into the palette and get more product. And you want to do upward strokes to kind of brush the hairs up. That's just how my eyebrows are growing, so. It also comes with a brow mascara with the kit. I really like this one because it is tinted. You don't have to actually use the powder part, but I like to use both. I use the brow mascara to kind of just tame the hairs and kind of keep them in place, and I'll let that dry. The next thing I'm going to do is take my NYX Professional Makeup Concealer, and this color is in Vanilla. And I'm just going to take that product and put it on the top of my brow and the bottom of my brow. Next, I'm going to take any angled brush, and you're just going to do light strokes as well, just to kind of give your brow some shape and clean up any fallout from the previous product. And I like to do mine on a little bit of an angle, just to give my brow a little bit of shape around my eye. And as you notice, I do it on the top of my brow and the bottom. I don't really do the inner part between my brows. I'm going to buff this all out later. Okay, next I'm going to take a beauty blender. I've done my makeup before I did my eyebrows, so that's why there's some foundation on it. But I'm just going to blend out that concealer with the rest of my foundation. I usually do my eyebrows first before I do the rest of my makeup, but for the purpose of this video, I just did the makeup first and then my eyebrows. You really want to make sure that everything is blended and there's no harsh lines. Alright, and there you have it. My eyebrows are all finished. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys later. Bye.